Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. This is German A1 level series, and in this video we're gonna talk about a very fascinating topic in German, that is rules in German. There are four basic rules in German that we can talk about in this video, and that is very important topic because in German everywhere we can use these rules. Okay, so the first rule in German, that is a pronounced as a pronounced as a. And for example, the word was in German and the meaning of this word in English, what. Firstly, we see the pronunciation. Don't focus on the meaning. The pronunciation of the word in German was, due to a pronounced as a. So the word is was, and the meaning of this word in English, that is what. There are two opposite in, if we talk about in English, right? Okay, so the next word in German is wann, W-A-N-N, wann, and the meaning of this word in English, when. Okay, the third example is, that is very little bit same, name, name in English. The spellings are same in German also, but the pronunciation are different. We said in English name, but in German we said Nam, Nam, right? N-A-M-E, Nam. Okay, the fourth word, as for example, that is Tasha. Tasha. The spelling of this word, T-A-S-C-H-E, Tasha. And there are second rule that can apply on this word, but we can focus on the first rule, that is, and for example of this rule, that is Tasha. That means in English bag, and we can use also a in this word, so that's why we can pronounce as Tasha, right? I hope you understand. Okay, and all the words are shown on the screen, right? Okay, so the second rule in German, that is e can also pronounce as a. For example of this word, that is the in English, the, where that is very easy word in English, but in German we said the the, right? So I hope you understand. And most of the words that I can speak in German and in English, there are a whole difference, because in German we said the e as pronounced as e, and in German we said e as a. And I can also talk in the previous videos and with examples. Okay, the next and the third rule in German, that is ie can be pronounced as e and ia. And according to that, for example of this rule, that is we, W-I-E. That means in English how, but the focus on that pronunciation, that is we, and due to ie pronounced as e, and that's why we can pronounce this word, and the pronunciation of this word is we, we. That means how in English. I hope you understand. This rule is also very important and easy. Okay, the fourth rule, that is e can be pronounced as yeah, like A-Y-I, aya, and I. Okay, you can focus on this rule, that is E-I, not I-E, not I-E. E-I is pronounced in German as I or aya. Okay, so for example of this rule is Reise, Reise. And the spelling of this word, R-E-I-Z-E, R-E-I-S-E. I'm sorry, R-E-I-S-E. Okay, don't focus on s, only focus on the pronunciation of this word, that is Raisa, and due to e, the pronunciation of this word is Raisa. That means to trouble in English. And the second example of this rule, that is Heise. That means to call, and due to the word H-E-I-Z-E-N. Actually, this is not a Z in this word. This is a beta in English, and in German we said Z. Okay, the fourth and the fifth rule are almost same. Okay, the S pronounced as Z in German. When, focus on this point, when we use any type of vowel letter with S or Z. S or Z. Yeah. What is mean by that? If we use any type of vowel letter A, E, I, O, U with S, we can pronounce S as Z, and Z pronounce as S if we use any type of vowel letter with Z also. And that's why I can pronounce the word Raisa, Raisa. And I can use also S in this word, but we can pronounce S as Z, and that's why I pronounce this word Riza. I hope you understand. But there are many examples for these two rules, and for example, the first word is sen. Sen. The word starting with Z with the vowel letter E, and the spelling of total word is Zen, Z-E-H-N. But we can pronounce this word Sen. That's mean two, right? Okay. So then that's mean 10. Okay. The second word that is Sui. Sui. Z-W-I-E. Okay. The next word that is Sui. The spelling of this word Z-W-E-I, right? And the meaning of this word is two, but we can pronounce this word is sweet. So what is the spelling of this word? That is Z-W-E-I. Okay, there is a misconception. We can say that in this rule that if any type of vowel letter we can use these word like S and Z, then we use S and Z and Z as S. Okay, you're right, but there is another little bit change. If S pronounced as Z, if there are vowel letters or also a W we can use. If with these letters S and W, we can also pronounce S as Z and Z as S. There is a misconception that almost all the beginners can face and always confused. But I can clear this. But I can clear this thing if we use any type of vowel letter and W with Z with Z, then we can pronounce Z as S. And if we use any type of vowel letter with S, we can pronounce S and Z. So that's why the word sui is pronounced by according to these rules, and the meaning of this word is two. Right. So the next word is sal. Sal. Right. And the meaning of this word is numbers. Okay. So the next word of according to example and according to last rule that S pronounced as Z, that is Zeban. Zeban. So Zeban means in English seven. I hope you understand the pronunciation of this word. Okay, so the next word is Z. Z-I-S-I-E, and the pronunciation of this word is Z, like as pronounced as Z. And the meaning of this word is Jew, right? It's very easy. Okay, and the last example of this rule that is Zetan, and the meaning of this word in English that is pages, right? So it's also very easy. Okay, there are some other words that can help you improve your vocabulary and German speaking. The first word is Mädchen. Mädchen means girl. Okay, the second word that is was. Was mean what. The third word is wann. Wann mean when. The fourth word is name, and name in German is Name, right? The fifth word is Tasha. Tasha in English is bag. The meaning of this word is bag. Okay. The next word is shoe, and in English the meaning of this word is shoes. The next word in German is Flasche, and the meaning of this word is bottle. The next word is Heisen. That's mean to call, right? The next word we. That's mean how, right? And that can also discuss in the previous video. That we get this in and how are you, right? The next word in German that is family. Family, and the meaning of this word in English that is family, right? So the last word in German that can also discuss in this video that is Reise, and the Reise means to travel. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.